TR shirt. Annual TR shirt. Annual. TR means Teenage Rebel, Totally Rejected, and now also known as people, Totally Responded yan. Totally Responded. Responded. Ganun. Kasi ano eh, nababago rin. Parang yung t-shirt nababago. This is TR. T, totally. Then, respondent. Before, since high school time, secondary, this is, totally rejected. And, nung kids time, nung mga seniority namin, they call it Teenage Rebel. And now, we grown up, grow up na, total responder na siya. Then the O and the I means oy. Means on the punks is out of innocent. Oy. Oy. Just say oy. Oy punks. Sabli. Shout out, TR.